Hi everyone, welcome back to Make Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll share some quick and easy steps on how to cash out in Fire Kirin. So without any further ado, let's get started. Step 1. Contact your distributor. Reach out to the agent or distributor you signed up with. They will guide you on the specific procedures and requirements for withdrawing your funds. Step 2. Verify your account. You may need to provide ID or other info to confirm your identity before cashing out. Verification helps prevent fraud and ensures that funds are released to the rightful account holder. Step 3. Choose withdrawal method. Options include PayPal, bank transfer, or direct deposit. Choose what works best for you. Step 4. Submit request. Tell your distributor how much you want to cash out and provide payment details. Ensure all information is correct to prevent delays. Step 5. Wait for processing. It usually takes 1 to 5 days depending on the method. Processing times vary based on the chosen method and other factors. Step 6. Confirm your payment. Check your account to make sure the money was received. If there are any delays, contact your distributor promptly for clarification. And that's how you can cash out in Firekirin.